Welcome to Head or Tail Education. Today our topic is template class in C++. Before understanding the template class, first we understand very simple class code. So here I have created a self-referential structure for character data. Okay, means or we can see linked list. So this is a header file included using namespace std. Class name is my list. Okay, private access specifier created a structure my data. Inside this I have created one character variable which name is data and one self-referential structure pointer of type my data which name is pointer next. Then rename the structure by using the keyword typedef struct my data. Okay, now next my data pointer list and my data pointer ptr I have created under the private access specifier. In public access specifier I have created the constructor my list. So initial the list equals to null and one pointer ptr is equals to list, means the both pointer it points to null value. Next I have created one function which name is add node and receiving the parameter character data. Okay, next the my data pointer variable md I have created and memory allocate to this pointer the size of my data. Next the my data pointer md of data part I have assigned the data value and md of next part I have assigned the null. Okay, this is a pointer each time created the by using the memory allocation. Now ptr equals to list means set the start position. First we check if list equals to null, then list equals to point to address of md pointer. Okay, means md variable which is already assigned address by using the memory allocation. If list is not equals to null means you have already the one value in list pointer, then we go to else and check while ptr of next is not equals to null, means list of next is not equals to null, then assign ptr equals to ptr of next and ptr of next equals to md. Set the next node if we reach the end position. Okay, so this is the add node value. Now how view list. Okay, another function is view list. So in ptr I have assigned the start pointer address of to ptr from list. First we check if list equals to null means the list is empty value, otherwise else we check ptr is not equals to null, so we print the data by using the cout ptr of data and move pointer ptr to ptr of next, means if ptr value 23443 then ptr of next 23444 like this. Okay, so this is the view list part. Now check the main program. Okay, so this is the main function. Inside this main function I have created the class mylist variable or object which name is mylist. Okay, then clear screen by using the system cls. Now I have called mylist.addNode function to add character data passing a. Again mylist.addNode passing b. Okay, and mylist.addNode passing c. Okay, as a character. Now if you check the what is the input and how to link list, so mylist.viewList I have called. Okay, then return one, the function finished, so output like this. Okay, so this is the structure, this is the list variable, this is the starting point pointer address. So in this pointer address the value data part is available a, and next of data is again pointer, so available the address of next node. So after going next node, so next node the data part is b, and the next node pointer value is this. Okay, so this address also next node the data part is c, and if because I am adding only 3 node here, so after that this next part is equals to null. Okay, so this is the character linked list. Now I have again repeat the same code for this, because in previous slide I have created linked list for character data. Now this time I have created linked list for integer data. So all the code are same, only here I have changed the data type. In previous slide we have the character data, so in this slide we have integer data. Okay, also variable pass integer data. All code are same, no changes. So I have checked the main function, so created the mylist data. Okay, now mylist.addNode passing integer value 3, mylist.addNode passing integer value 4, mylist.addNode passing integer value 9, and after that I have called mylist.viewList. Okay, so if you run this program, so output like this. Okay, so this is for numeric linked list. Okay, one more I have created this time float linked list. Okay, so I am storing the value floating point for this. So all the code are same, just I change the in structure side the data part, the data type is float this time, and the add node parameter float data. Okay, all the code are same. So this time again we check the main function, so create the mylist variables. Okay, mylist, then mylist.8 like 3.2, mylist.8 node 6.7, mylist.8 node 23.67. So this is also run program and output like this. Okay, so the main part is I have repeating the code in each time to store different data type. So you know the in character float linked list, if we have 30 to 50 lines, so now next integer also same 30 to 50 lines, and float also same 30 to 50 lines. So means your program have totally number of lines is 150 like this. Okay, so this is the repetition of code means. Now check next slide. So first we understand how to create template class. So in this slide I have created very simple class for this, and how to create and so first we check or include #include iostream.h using namespace std. The main part is important part here, the template keyword. Okay, so this is template keyword, and the type name of means which type of data type receive this template. So type name t. Okay, so this is the generic name of data type. Now this is class, and class name is myswap. Then start or inside this public access specifier I have created the one function which name is swap, or return type is void. So the type of t I have passing variable x, the type of t I have passing variable y. Inside this I have created type of t variable set. Okay, so also here I have printing before the swapping the value of object, and after swapping the value of object. The swapping concept is very simple, you know already. Okay, so this is the very small class. Okay, now how to use this template class. So template class is first I have created variable myswap. Okay, but this time passing data type is character. Okay, and object variable name is swapc. Now I have called swapc dot swap. Okay, and pass two characters variables. Okay, next again I have created my swap, but this time is the type of integer, so swap I. Okay, so my swap this time the data type is integer, and swap I object name. Okay, so swap I dot swap 23 dot comma 67. So this is the integer value. Now next my swap. Okay, again this time I am passing the float data type. So function name object name is swpf. So I call swpf dot swap 2.3 comma 6.7. Okay, so this is the value of floating point. Okay, now if and run this program, so you find the before swapping the value this, and after swapping value this. Okay, so this is the output of this program. So the main class of template class by using the template class. Now we understand what is the template class. So in C++, template is a powerful feature. It allows you to write a generic code which can work with any data type. Okay, so template is a keyword, and type name is a generic data type keyword. Okay, the main key feature of this, reducing the code. Okay, so हमारी code means our code is reduced by using the template class. Okay, so all in template class functions have template function. This is called also again template function, and this is the template class. Now take a demo of this. So as you have seen on screen, this is the example of template class. So this time class name is myswap. Okay, and here public template function, the name is swap, and passing two template t type variables, so tx and ty. Or here this is the created variable of myswap, so swap c for character. So next object passing the type integer, so object name is swap I, and next type passing float, so variable swap f. Now we check the program for compile. So compile exhibit. Now this time run. So this is the output of this code. Okay. Next slide. Again, one more example for this. So in previous 3 slides, we saw the generic linked list for character, means individual linked list I have created for character data type, next for integer data type, next for float data type. Now this code is for generic linked list for any data type. Okay, so it's very simple, all code have same, just I have added one keyword here, template, and the type name of t. Okay, means generic type name. Now this time in structure side I have added the t type data. Okay, next so this is the generic linked list. Okay, so in previous first 3 slides I have created the linked list program for each different data type. Like first time I have created for character linked list, next I have created for integer linked list code, and next I have created for float linked list. So this time I have created for linked list of generic type. Okay, so what is how to create it this? So template keyword we have to use. Okay, so keyword template and type name, what type of data? Type name object t. Okay, inside the private variable, sorry, private access specifier in structure side I have generic type object, means t data, data type of t. Okay, now next the add node function also receive the type of t data. Okay, other full code are same. Now we check the how to use the template class variables in C++ main function. So here I have created one variable of type int n, another variable pointer of character type pointer str, and string assigns hello world. Okay, next the main part is our class, the name is mylist. First time I have passing the type of character and object name is list char. Another new variables mylist I have created, the passing the object of type integer and the variable name is list int. Okay, third I have also created one more variable of type generic type name, this time is float, and the object or variable name is list float. Okay, now next system CLS. So first we add all value of type character list. Okay, so here this is the string pointer str and default value is hello world. So I have created here loop while star str is not equals to null, so list of str add node. Okay, add node and pointer str plus plus. So this loop is running and one by one character is adding in character list. Okay, so this list is created by using the character variable. Okay, next I have run the loop of for 5 times to add the integer type in list int and add float type in float list variable. Okay, so it's very simple, the loop is running, pass n, so 1 2 3 4 5 times is adding, and here also 1 2 3.5 times is adding float value by using the variable n is multiplied by 3.14. So float data is it. Now we check one by one list character. So list character view list we check, list int view list is checked, and list float view list is checked. So if you run the program right in C++, the output is this. Okay, so first list is created, hello world is type of character. Second list is created, 1 2 3 4 is type of integer, and third list is created is type of float. So you have seen the benefit of template, because we write only one template class and using for different data type. Okay, so this is the benefit of template class. Now check the demo of this. So this is the code I have write in the C++. So this is the using the hash include the header files and using the namespace std template class. So keyword using template and generic type name and passing the t. Okay, now class name is my list. In the structure I have created the data of type t, means generic type data. Now this function void add node passing generic type data. Again, now comes to the main. So here the same code I have written here in display in slide. So different type of list object I have created, so passing by character, integer and float. Okay, so while loop for this, and now I am compiling this code. So you have seen here 0 errors and run. So this is the output according to our list by using the template class. Now tell summary. So finally we learned template class. In C++, template is a powerful feature. It allows you to write a generic code which can work with any data type. So template is a keyword and type name is a generic data type keyword. The main key features is reduced coding. Okay, so also explained a program and learned how to implement template class in C++ language. Okay, so thanks to watch Head or Tail Education.